Okay, let's go. Well, actually ये समर फंक 2 है जो मेरा एकेडमी में कोई भी है 4 साल से 80 years old का बच्चा डांस कर सकता है, पर आज स्पेशल है मेरे लिए बिकॉज मेरा दोस्त विक्रम फटनिस, one of the finest human beings and fashion obviously designer, but now a director of a film called Rudyantar. So for me, Vikram coming here and his cast coming here is like an honor for me because ये पिक्चर बहुत बेहतरीन है और ये मराठी फिल्म है और रीजनल थिएटर में it is very important. So I want Vikram to take over and talk about Rudyantar.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर आप?
हम लोग के लिए तो सोनाली, नित्य और मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट डे है क्योंकि हमारे प्रमोशंस अभी शुरू हुए हैं. हमने हमारी प्रमोशंस पूना के समर फंक में चालू की थी. मेरा और शामक का रिश्ता काफ़ी कुछ 25-27 साल पुराना है और हर समर फंक में अगर मेरा कुछ इन्वॉल्वमेंट हो ना हो मैं हमेशा जाता हूँ. भले उसका येस शो हो, सेलकूट शो हो, जो भी उसके शोज़ हुए हैं, इन्होंने आईफा अवार्ड्स के, मेरा और शामक दावर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स अकेडमी के स्टूडेंट्स का रिश्ता बहुत गहरा रहा है. तो हमारे लिए तो बहुत ही खास है क्योंकि शामक ने हमें एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है रुद्यांतर को एडवर्टाइज करने के लिए, तो हम उसके बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं.
जैसे कि इन्होंने तो आपसे एक्टिंग करवा दी मूवी के अंदर, तो अब आप उनसे डांस करवाने वाले हैं.
विक्रम फटनिस के लिए मैं किया, मैं जिंदगी में नहीं करेगा ये. विक्रम फटनिस बोला प्लीज आओ. आई सेड I'm sorry, I'm not coming in the movie. I'll choreograph it for you. It's just 2 lines, 5 lines. I said, but मुझे क्यों लाया यार?
इतनी बेहतरीन एक्टिंग उसने किया, आप देख लो फिल्म.
वो इतना मीन है. नहीं, पर honestly रुद्यांतर
हमारे लिए नहीं, भले शामक के लिए जाओ, पर प्लीज रुद्यांतर देखने जाओ. शामक और उसके पूरे 7 जुलाई.
7th जुलाई रुद्यांतर
15 दिन बचे हैं.
Please जाओ. Everyone, you have to see Rudyantar. It's a very touching thing that the director Vikram Fadnis has actually honored our academy, the Shamak Davar Academy, and that is a shock. And what a message of a film! The message is phenomenal. So you have to go and see Rudyantar. And Vikram Fadnis, thank you so much for being such a friend and a
thank you for having us today in the beginning of the promotions. हमारी तो खुशनसीबी है कि हमें यहाँ बुलाया गया. हम पूना भी गए थे और जहाँ पे वैसे शामक के स्टूडेंट्स ने जो रिस्पांस दिया was just unbelievable.
And lovely acting, phenomenal acting, and the children also are fantastic. So
आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आप कितना एंजॉय कर रहे हैं?
मेरा रुद्यांतर का मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो बहुत अच्छा है क्योंकि मैंने शामुक जी के बहुत डांस परफॉर्मेंस देखे, लेकिन शामुक जी को कभी लाइव में देख सकूंगी ऐसे मैंने सोचा नहीं था. और रुद्यांतर से मुझे उनको देखने को मिला, उनके साथ काम करने को मिला. सो मुझे रुद्यांतर से बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. विक्रम सर, शामुक सर, ऋतिक सर, फराह मैम एंड ऐश्वर्या मैम और बहुत से मनीष सर, इनके सबके साथ मुझे काम करने की संधि मिली. तो थैंक यू सो मच.
ओके मैम, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
जैसे विक्रम ने कहा कि इट्स बीन रियली एन ऑनर टू हैव शामक विद अस विद दिस फिल्म एंड ऑफ कोर्स कि हमें आज यहाँ पे आने का मौका मिला, हमारी फिल्म के बारे में बात करने का मौका मिला. सो वी आर रियली ग्रेटफुल टू हिम एंड आई रियली विश कि मुझे भी थोड़ा डांस करने का इस फिल्म में मौका मिलता. बट येस, ही इज़ डन अ फैब जॉब एज ऑलवेज एंड मोर देन दैट ही इज़ अ वेरी लवली पर्सन. दैट होल पॉजिटिव एनर्जी ऑफ हिज इज़ आई थिंक गोइंग टू हेल्प अस to bring in more and more people to the theatre. So I really thank him for giving a chance to promote our film here. Thank you so much.
Lovely actors, fabulous director, fabulous film.
और क्लाइमैक्स का कॉन्सर्ट जो शामक ने किया है, you have to see it how brilliantly he's done it.
और किस तरीके से प्रमोशन देखने वाले मूवी है? जब लोग पुणे गए और आज यहाँ पे घर पे आए हैं ध्यान
अभी 15 दिन ही बचे हैं, तो
क्या आने वाला है?
अभी कुछ नया नहीं. इट्स जस्ट फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टू नाइट. हम लोग ने सबको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है. मुक्ता कहीं और कर रही है, सोनाली कहीं और कर रहे हैं, बच्चे कहीं और कर रहे हैं, शामक दावर के फंक्स, समर फंक्स में. तो आई थिंक एवरी डे वी आर ट्राइंग टू make the most of it. We have 2 weeks left for the release of the film.
Rudyantar 7 July, 7 July, 7 July, 7 July, 7. Lucky number 7. Yeah.
Bas, that's it. My promotion is done. Thank you. Chalo, let's go.
Make some noise! Good evening, Mr. Isaac Newton. I'm the 5th law of motion right now. Take a Imodium. Okay. So let's invite on stage. First, please make some noise, parents. Wait. Are there Pune parents here? Jai Maharashtra. So, let's call on stage Mr. Shamak Davar, the director, Mr. Vikram Fadnis, the lead cast of Hrudyantar. Please come on stage. Mr. Davar's debut in Marathi films. And he spoke such wonderful Marathi. If you want to hear it, he'll sing for you. You want to hear Shamak sing in Marathi? You want to hear Shamak sing in Marathi? Hear him sing. Please, please.
गजानना रे गजानना तुझसे चढरावे पाय संकट काली भीतीच्या वेळी नाही रे दुसरा उपाय. Apple fall on your head. Come. Anisha, you didn't let them come in the center. You didn't give it to them in the center. You just shoved the flowers there. No, I was singing, but
Guys, but before we move ahead, I'm a little upset. I've been here for the last 2 hours. And I have to say this because I'm really upset about what has happened today. I saw so many acts and everybody said something has inspired them. We saw audio visuals. We saw, some people said, I heard Marzi or Anisha say, and the next act does not need any introduction of this legend. And it was Bruce Lee. And legends are not about people who are gone. Legends can also be living. And we have one on the stage right now. I don't think it's not about what I saw on stage is exceptional. Summer Funk is about a small duration about what Shamak's batches teach. I've been associated with the Shamak Davar Institute for the Performing Arts over the last 25 years. I think ever since its inception. I have 2 left feet and I can't dance, but I believe in the faith of Shamak Davar and his institute. For everything that it takes and for everyone he has made move over the last so many years ever since its inception, I think one huge round of applause for the living legend Shamak Davar. He truly deserves it. He truly deserves it because I've been doing costumes in Hindi films over the last 25 years, and I've worked with I think practically every celebrity or every person that it takes in Indian cinema. But one energy that, and I have to tell you one thing, that I've never done a film with Shamak. I have never done a costume in a film where Shamak has choreographed. But let me begin to tell you, without having done that, one man who I believe in, one man who I feel is a 5 a.m. friend. I'm not talking about Shamak Davar, the dancer, Shamak Davar, the performer. I'm talking about Shamak Davar, the person, the soul that behind these 2 names called Shamak Davar. His mother's sitting right here, and I think she should feel immensely proud. Generations have come. Parents have put their kids in the Shamak Davar Institute. Their kids have put their kids in the institute. But one thing I've learned about these people who, like all these performers that you saw, from age, I think, 5 to age 80, I think every single person has not come here to prove that they can dance, has come here to prove that they have a soul and they have a heart, which Shamak gives them the faith in.
Parents, thank you for that, for bringing them here.
And you know, there are so many people who say, no, you know, we don't want to put our child in a dance class. We'd rather send them for tuitions. You know, we want a boy or a girl to become so-and-so, so-and-so. No. Shamak is a brand which is a worldwide brand. Today, people all, I'm sorry, I'm going to take this time because I have to say it. You know, worldwide, I mean, I've traveled across the world. We've done so many IFA awards. He's been a part of so many celebrations as far as dance festivals, as far as music concerts go. But people don't want Shamak Davar just because he's par excellence in his profession and he knows the master of the craft. People want him because they know their children tomorrow will grow to be better human beings and even better dancers someday.
You come a very sweet boss.
Having said that,
You talk about Hrudyantar.
now I'm coming to my film. Having said that, I directed my first film this year. It's a Marathi film which is subtitled, obviously. What you saw was not subtitled, but my film is subtitled for everybody who doesn't understand the language of Marathi. And I've always believed that art and craft has no medium, has no language.
You can go to a cinema hall and see a French film, a Korean film, a Japanese and English. If you walk out of that auditorium with understanding what the director wanted to tell you, half the battle is already won.